In today's video, we're going to take a look at a setup in MU. I know that I recently did have a symmetry decision over here, but that gave us only a little bit of a bounce and then took us to new lows. But this gives us our next decision as far as a possible trade entry. And it is a cluster that comes in between this 48.38 to 49.09 area. It hit, it held. I think it's triggered, but let's take a look at it. So let's see. MU. Well, definitely for a day trade would have triggered on a 1-minute chart. But let's check the 15-minute chart, which is the aggressive swing trade trigger. Okay, and it also did trigger on the 15-minute chart. You did have the moving average crossover, and you've also taken out a prior swing high. So let me just check the 30. Actually, the 30 also crossed to the upside. So bottom line, as long as price continues to hold above this support, I am looking for buy triggers. The maximum risk that I would have would be underneath this price cluster zone at 48.38. But also know that the other way to place stops is you can actually just have a stop underneath the low that's made prior to your buy trigger. You know, it just depends on how much room you want to give it. And know that if we continue to hold above this support, potential target number 1 is going to be the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. And that means that the initial upside target would be 55.58, and I'm wrong if we break the cluster.